Get around is a phrasal verb with a number of meanings. This phrasal verb can refer to the movement of a person or information from place to place. One of the staff members was told informally that he got a promotion. The staff in the office all knew about it. I heard that John got a promotion. Yeah, and a great bump up in salary to go with it. Geez, word really gets around fast around here. The cricketer was hit in the knee by a cricket ball and got a nasty injury. The doctor explains the next few weeks to him. I'm sorry to say, but you'll have to use a crutch to get around for the next few weeks. The broken-hearted man sees his ex-girlfriend in a new relationship very soon after the breakup. News of our breakup must have got around fast. She's already dating someone else. Henry slipped yesterday as he jogged in the park. His neighbour made a joke about it when she saw him. Word gets around fast. I'm so embarrassed. I don't think I'll ever live this down. It can also mean to persuade someone to agree with you or to do what you'd like them to do. The manager has always had a soft spot for Jake. He seems to favour him and give him special treatment. I envy Jake sometimes. He always gets what he wants. That's true, but he's really good at his job. That's how he always gets around our manager. A couple is talking. The wife thinks their husband is too soft on their daughter. She gets around you all the time. You let her get away with everything. Two friends wait in the bar for the rest of their group. Their friend Jamie didn't want to join them at first. Is Jamie coming tonight? Of course, he said no, but I got around him by telling him I would pay for his drinks. To get around something can also mean to find a solution. A company is in danger of closing if they don't change something soon. We have to borrow from the bank. It's the only way to get around our cash flow problem in the short term. The television in the old woman's house wasn't working. Her grandson arrived to fix it. Thank you so much. I would have missed my favourite show. You're welcome, Grandma. I got around the problem by changing the cable. The scientist is confident in his abilities. When I get around this stumbling block, I know I'll achieve a monumental scientific breakthrough. It can also mean to do something. A mother is tired of reminding her son to clean his room. I'll be 80 years old by the time he gets around to cleaning his room. The small business owner constantly has problems with her accountant. The books are late again. When are you planning on getting around to them? The lady just remembered she forgot to reply to the email she received. I apologise for the late reply. I had hoped to get around to it sooner, but I got caught up. So, to sum it all up, get around can mean a person or information moving from place to place. Like, it's cheaper to get around on a bicycle. To persuade someone to agree with you or to do what you'd like them to do. Like, I got around my parents to buy me a car for my 21st birthday. To successfully deal with a problem. Like, don't beat yourself up. When you get around the problem, you'll feel a whole lot better. Or to do something. Like, when I got around to exercising, I felt better about myself. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.